Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see page below. Discover a rustic Italian twist with this golden and crispy potato pizza. Made with shredded russet potatoes, onions, Parmigiano Reggiano, and a touch of olive oil, this recipe transforms simple ingredients into a hearty and flavorful dish. Perfectly cooked on both sides until golden brown, it's soft inside, crunchy outside, and irresistibly cheesy. Slice it up and serve warm for a comforting meal that feels like home. Instructions. Peel, wash, and shred the potatoes using a mandolin. Transfer them to a large bowl. Peel and shred the onion with the mandolin, then add it to the potatoes. Add the grated Parmigiano Reggiano and the egg. Mix until well combined. Season with sea salt and white pepper. Mix again until evenly incorporated. Brush both sides of a double-sided pan with olive oil. Pour the mixture into the pan and spread evenly. Cook over low heat for about 30 minutes per side, flipping carefully halfway through. Once golden and cooked through, transfer to a flat plate. Slice, garnish as desired, and serve warm.